Hello, this is Lonnie Boswell in ED 508. We're going to be learning how to use historical images to engage students. Okay, we're going to be using the quadrant image assignment today in class. So the students are going to pick a quadrant and then they'll have 30 seconds to list the objects and the people in this section of the photograph on an individual sheet of paper. Let's go ahead and get right into this lesson. Now, class, what do you see in the bottom right quadrant of this photo? Please tell me about the objects and the people in this image. For the next 30 seconds, you guys are going to look at this image and please tell me what objects and people do you see? Here's the third quadrant. Once again, what objects and people do you see in this image? Please be very descriptive. And here's the last quadrant right here. Once again, what objects and people do you see in this last image of the quadrant? Class, thank you so much. Let's move on to the next part of the assignment. Now we're going to get into assigned groups. I already assigned you your groups. Go ahead and move to it right now. You're going to be in the groups of 2 to 4 we already picked. And move to your area right now. Thank you so much. So now we're going to share the details you observed in each quadrant of the picture. Go ahead and talk amongst yourself. I'll be walking around to monitor and ask you engaging questions. Please stay on topic, everybody. Thank you so much. Here we go, you guys. This is the assignment. We're going to go ahead and stay on our groups, and I want you guys to answer these questions together. Number 1, where was this photograph taken? Number 2, when was this photograph taken? Number 3, what does this photograph tell you about people's lives? Number 4, what were the motivations of the photographer? Number 5, how does this photograph relate to one of history's vital themes and narratives? Here's the photograph, you guys. That's great, Johnny. You noticed that it says in honor of Dr. Martin Luther King. So that sets his historical place. Also, Jim, that's great. You see that there's African Americans fighting in war. That tells you that it couldn't be all the wars the United States has been in. Great job. Karen, that's excellent. You see that they have their fist raised up in an empowering position. Thank you so much, you guys. Go ahead and finish up those questions. How did this picture make you guys feel? Go ahead. I want everybody to write a paragraph of how this picture makes you feel. After you guys write the paragraphs, we're going to be talking in a discussion with the whole class. We're going to be asking each other what this picture means. And you guys can use your answers to those 5 questions in this last question right here in the group discussion. Thank you so much, class. You guys are doing an excellent job today.